What's up, what's up, what's up, everybody? Wait for you guys to join. Doing the test on YouTube. There we go. YouTube is on. What's up, everybody? You guys like my new Etsy purchases? I have two brand new Etsy purchases that I'm wearing today. First off, I got my Cobra Kai t-shirt. So I did a lot of searching for a favorite, and I really like this one. It's a good Bella canvas t-shirt. It's already got the broken in look to the fade to the shirt. I probably got to stretch it a little bit because I got the man gut going on here, so I got to do a little bit of the extra stretch right now just to kind of make sure it's it's not as flattering. It's kind of unflattering to the man gut a little bit, so you got to stretch it. And then I finally got it, my custom made, if you guys can see, Bullish Bears crocheted hat. And as you guys can see, I'm bald and I'm always cold. I luckily got this just in time for now when it's freezing in Connecticut. And so I got my Bullish Bears crochet hat. I wanted the bull at first, and then I wanted her to make it just like our colors, but she went all out, and she went custom made, and now I got the Bullish Bear hat. What's up, Oxygen? What's up, Geets? Did I get the headbands? No, not yet. I'm still back and forth with that. What's up, Chemo? And the gi guy hasn't emailed me back yet about my gis. So I had to just send up a follow-up, touch base, and say, hey, when are my gis? Like, when are we going to order those gis up? So I'm kind of in limbo right now, so I don't have no more extra goods. But so I just tweeted out to trigger some people. I said, in the history of the stock market, has it ever not gone back up? I mean, as you guys can see, guys, look, possible hammer time, right? Hammer on the daily of the SPY. That's a very good sign to see. So, I still got to find my, I still think I want to go earpiece. I still feel like I want headphones over this Yeti mic. I always feel like I got to shout more. And it makes my head, it puts more pressure on my head, I think. So, I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, you'll see I'm actually in a bunch of put credit spreads right now. I took a bloodbath. I was down, I jumped the gun on Friday. And I was like bloody murder down all day until things started reversing today. And then I got in a few newer positions. So these are pretty much all put credit spreads. For kind of a slight move up. So again, I know there's resistance levels right up in here. So did credit spreads, and I sell the pops. So when I get in these spreads, you'll see I put good to cancels order in, to sell, around depending on what's going on. Momentum's really not on my side right now with the market being bearish. So I kind of sell right around 50% of profit, but I check each day. If I'm up 45 or 42 or whatever, I might take my profits early just because things have been pulling back and stuff. So, but things might be starting to turn the corner a little bit. So you'll see a bunch of put credit spreads that I'm in. Now my head is kind of warm now. I think this is it's keeping my head warm. I kind of like that. This is going to be good for the winter time. All right. So let's build the watch list. See what I want to put on it. Let's look at Square. So Square has a bullish engulfing on the daily. And this one may be interesting. I'm going to put, so I got into a put credit spread on Square. So, and it's bullish on the hourly. So I'm going to put square with resistance around 159. So what do I want to put here? Bullish engulfing on daily. Watch for possible move up with resistance around 159. Guys, interesting news happened this weekend, huh? We have a new news cycle narrative shift. We have a big topic to talk about, and I'm not going to discuss it, but I'm just saying you have the RBG, right? Not to, I get confused with the initials of, was it RGB? Was that who it was? Robert Griffin? What was it? Who was it? The ex-quarterback for the Washington, I can't say Redskins, Washington football team. Who was it? Was it RBG or RGB? Robert Griffin. Oh, that was RG3, not RGB. RG3. I get them confused. I get RG3 confused with RBG. I don't know. So, new news cycle shifts, guys. Lots going on. This next few weeks is going to be pretty nuts. RG3. Yeah, it was RG3. Yeah. I think I'm going to put NVIDIA on. I am going to put credit spread on that one as well. Possible move up. See if it can get above 506 to 506 to 516. $505 $100. Watch for possible continuation up with resistance between 506 to 516-ish. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon. All right. R2D2. R2D2. What's up, Razor Ramon? Speaking of which, tonight is wrestling night. Anybody else watch wrestling, or am I the only one that does? I mean, obviously a lot of people do, but... see, Walmart did get that creep that I'm looking right around. $139. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon. Watch for possible move up with resistance around 139. I don't know what you heard about me. You just can't get $1 out of me. Hotels and restaurants suck today. I don't, but my girl loves it. Oh, your girl loves wrestling? Seems like stay-at-home stocks are rising. Airlines too. Let's take a look at AAL. I personally really like AEW a lot better than I do WWE. But I do watch WWE. And I still keep waiting for them to just be good again, but they're not. So maybe somebody can make wrestling great again. So what would that be? Make Mwaga. Would it be? Mwaga? Make wrestling great again. But AEW, huge fan. Huge fan of AEW. What's up, Ben? Oh yeah, I gotta log into Facebook so that way I can see everybody's comments. See, Ben already knows. He's trained to say it's Ben. Thank you, Ben. Let's see. There I am. There's Ben. You haven't watched since the early 2000s. That's when I used to be a fan. And then I still watch it all the time. I just don't know why I do. It's just because I don't like anything else. And honestly, it's kind of like with all the stuff that's going on in the world today, I could actually watch it and there's not political drama on either side. So I can watch something that's sports and I don't have to worry about fighting and blah, blah, blah. I could just watch scripted sports, basically, and not have to worry about it. You know what I mean? So I like that. You like let me see. AAL and G. You like AAL for Ben? Are you liking AAL and JB JetBlue long or short? It's bearish at the moment. Let's look at some small cap ones. Long term for you? You just don't like it. I'd like to see a bounce. I mean, it could still keep falling. Let me see on weekly. Yeah, I gotta hold support. Then it might be. MGM. Let me see. Well, see if it's getting a bounce right here. See if it can hold those moving average lines on the weekly. And I don't know what you heard about me. Kind of a megaphone-ish pattern. Let's take a look at the daily. If it stays above that 50, it's kind of caught in between that 250 EMS simple moving average line. So we'll have to watch and see. Oh, Ben, you're on puts? That would make sense. Oh, you got it on during lockdown? Speaking of which, what's going on with lockdown? Still on lock. I must say, guys, I have been very good on my triggering talks. I don't really talk about much anymore like this. I don't I don't talk about Corona very much or masks anymore. I think maybe I'm growing up. Maybe trying to be a little bit nicer, a little bit less triggering, maybe. True is a little bit, maybe true. It's a little bit overextended. Nah, I'm not going to put that on. Would you say, Razor, what's an everyday thing? F-T-Y-C-E-N-T. Up. Oh, what is this one? Watch if support. Watch if price can get above $2 with resistance between 230 to 250-ish. That's for can, so you can see, actually between 210 to 230-ish. All right, watch if price can get above $2 with resistance between 210 to 230-ish. Right kind of in here. That's can. C-A-N. How am I feeling about Nanox? N-N-O-X? Let's see. Yikes. I personally don't like that pattern. That's a little bit bearish. I mean, if it could hold support, we'll have to see, but I don't know. That one might be creeping up on the hourly. Possible bull flag on the hourly with some resistance right around 42 cents. Oh, is that a... is that... Well, I'm not a fan of that doji on the daily. But I might be creeping. Well, for a sub $1 stock, I might put that one on. For those that like the cheapos. Possible bull flag on 1 hour. Watch for potential continuation with resistance around 42 cents. PSV. This hat's kind of funny. I could see myself wearing it. I kind of like it. It's kind of funny, this Bullish Bears hat. Did you guys notice that can you tell that this would be a Bullish Bear? Did she do a good enough job on our logo? It hasn't held yet. No, it hasn't. You know I love GWPH under $100. Let me see. I mean, if it's possibly holding some support here. Let's see. A bit overextended, but watch if price will get a pump over $1. NWBO. CC, let me see, IIPR. Possibly right there. That is possible. All right, my head's a little hot now. Whew. All right, so maybe we can, you know what we can do? We can humor what I'll do for the Bears. I'll humor you guys. I'll wear my bear hat. And we can get out my bear. I'll look, see that one's all nice and shiny because I don't pull out my bear bat. But for the Bears, we can pull it out. Got my bear hat, my bear bat. Are you looking to go short on these pot stocks? Or are you going long? Because the setups are not looking the greatest. NKLA. Let me see. Nicola. Well, maybe if it can hold that 200 SMA, that's possible. I'm just not a fan of spinning top kind of candles. Do I like this one? Yeah. No, I agree with you. I just not a fan of like the spinning top ones. I like cleaner ones. That's just my preference. Just my preference. All right. I like this one right here. That might be good. I like that look. $10.30-ish. So. That's a possible flag with 10. Possible flag on daily watch for potential move up with resistance around 10:30-ish. SRNE. Yeah, when they run, they run. Oh, for sure, they do. Walmart. Yeah, I did put Walmart on the list for a bullish play. Potential bullish move up. So it kind of has a falling wedge-ish, looking to see if it can move up with some resistance right around that 200 SMA. So that one is on the watch. Yeah. Oh, you got it in today? Nice. On Walmart. Glue Mobile. All right, no more hats. Good pattern and good news, so figured why not. There you go. Noise. $77, $78. What is this one? Watch if price moves up into the daily gaps around up to 130s. Headbands and Dobex from now on. I need to get the... Yeah, so what the heck happened with those? Yeah, thank you for reminding me with the headbands. I forget, where do we leave off in the sales process? Let me check Etsy real quick. I know I have an outstanding email. They must not be very responsive to me. Hold on. Let's see if they email me back today. Not good. 4 days ago, these people won't email me back. That's terrible business. 4 days ago, I said we were looking to get 10 white and 10 black done, so we would like the bears writing in white on the white headband. What would that work? Thank you. If so, what would be the next steps to move forward? That is all buying questions. That's sales 101. You have a buying customer that's going to buy 20 headbands. I only need one. I'm going to buy 20. And that's bad business. Now I'm going to have to find a new vendor. Terrible follow-up skills, people. When you have people that are ready to buy, you follow up. It's terrible. What do I think of CEMI? CEMI, I was open to that one, but it's like right at resistance. If it can clear resistance, it can might have some move up to that 527, and then that 200 SMA kind of right up in there. So that one I'm open to that one, but it's a little bit overextended. I try not to unless try not to put too many overextended ones on it. This one right here, TRCH, is just caught in between moving average lines, so I'm not a fan of that one, and it's kind of bearish at the moment. And NMTR. Possible. I'm just not a fan of like huge wick, or all these like, I just don't like a lot of wicks. I try to avoid wicks. That's just me, though. That one might be setting up right there. Watch for possible reversal with resistance between 650 to 660-ish. That's for NPTN. All right. You the man. Thank you. You're welcome, Jeff. All right. So I'm done with the watch list for tomorrow. Now I'm just going to go and post them on the website. So if you want to chat or ask questions, do your thing. 9. I gotta laugh. I've been studying people's marketing skills, other trading companies, and there's this one that, like, I'm sure you guys know. There's definitely there's a company out there, and they're so dang arrogant. But I get a kick out of them. They're just so blazingly arrogant, but they like crack me up. And the dude just gets on there, and he's a big options trader. And he just brags how he's this like Mensa, like he's a Mensa certified trader. And I'm just like, I'm wondering if people actually fall for that crap. Like, right? Like, I'm just like, do people really care? Like, I mean, I could say, I'm Lucian, I'm an expert shopper. That wouldn't be great for trading. That's a bad example. But this guy brags he's like this Mensa trader, and then you see these people, they're all in front of like their jet. It fascinates me because I guess people do fall for that stuff. But like with trading options, you don't need to be a Mensa trader or Mensa certified trader, right? I mean, it cracks me up. Where can you get the watch list and alerts? So members up here, if you go to our website, bullishbears.com, if you log in right here, you'll see our nightly alerts, the watch list and alerts. So we post the alert setups right here. And these are our real-time alerts. So these are where we do our real-time options alerts. I'm going to tell you right up front, guys, we are not Mensa certified. We're not certified Mensa geniuses, but we do very well with our trade alerts. So if you want to try them out, just know we're not Mensa certified and we're not hanging in front of jets. But our alerts work, and they're pretty much the same that you send out that you buy. I'll tell you, people got some great marketing. So I'm a marketer, so I try to look at all this stuff. I got to admit, there's a lot of people. Our marketing, it's just very So if you come to us, you're like, it's okay. We got to improve it. And I'm trying to think like of doing videos and all that stuff. But I don't want to do douchey videos. Like, I don't want to brag about how great I am and how great Tim and Dan are and the team, right? Like, makes me want to vomit. You still got to go through that whole thing, right? You got to go through the whole sales process of like, hi, I'm Lucian with the Bullish Bears team. Have you come and found us today because you're looking for stock alerts? You know, we were in the same position as you once. And what we found is that trading gurus in the industry, they all are just a bunch of, how do I say it? Or no, I could say, are you sick and tired of all the trading gurus out there in the industry trying to get your money? Well, we were too. And that's why we started the Bullish Bears, because we feel your pain. And what we're going to do for you, what do you got to do? You got to find their pain, right? So that I just uncovered your pain point, right? This bat smells a little weird. Find the pain point of like how people are frustrated, right? So you're frustrated trying to find trade alerts and the gurus, and you're sick and tired. So then you're going to come to me, and then I'm going to solve your pain, right? So then I can flash to B-roll, right? I can flash the B-roll in the film and show you, like, I can maybe stand in front of a nice ocean, right? Nice ocean backdrop. Maybe rent a private jet or a Lambo or Mercedes or something, and just kind of flash those things in front of you. And then I can say, if trading was easy, everybody would do it, right? And then, flash forward me eating at a nice restaurant and in my plane and my jet. And you're going to be like, wait a second. He said it's not easy, but he's living the trader's lifestyle. This guy must really know something, right? And then I say something like, ABC member just made $500 on our alerts. Bam! A XYZ member just made $200 on our alerts. Bam! Our trades are on fire. click the link below. And then you come and join us, right? That's marketing, right? That's what you got to do. But some of these people, they go on for about a half hour, and then you look and see what they do, right? So they get you to sign up, and then they just sit there and talk, and they just keep it going, right? Like for like a half hour loop with all this stuff. And I'm like, do people actually like watch this for that long? But these are giant trading companies, and that's what they do. It's unbelievable. You think in the 90s and early 2000s people cared about that? I mean, they do. They do. Ranger Trader says, I see your marketing is pretty dang good. Website is clean and functional. Pay it forward and is refreshing. See, I like that. But okay, so in fairness, I don't want to go straight. I just want to clean it up a little bit. I think it's clean, it's easy, but I designed this, and first of all, kudos to me. I'm not a web designer. So the fact that's why I disappeared for like a year and you never found me, because I was doing all this stuff. It's okay. It's amateur. I give it maybe a C+. You know what? It's a C+. But we're going to have somebody work on it and just kind of make some of the pages more updated. Keep it kind of clean, not cheesy. One thing we're not going to do, I'm not going to put any douchebag photos of us standing in front of like Wall Street in suits. Like, we're not doing it. We're not doing douchebag photos in front of Wall Street in suits and putting a suit and tie on. We're not doing it. This is who we are. Maybe we'll put Tim in a suit. Oh, I should show you a picture. Tim is the greatest, guys. Let me show you this pitch. This is Tim. I'm going to throw Tim under the bus. Tim, if you're listening, I love you. It's nothing to do with you. But this is us. This is Tim. Let me find that picture of Tim. So we ordered Tim some Bullish Bears merchandise, right? So Tim, he don't care. Tim will put on both, and he'll rock both. So look at Tim's got a Bullish Bears hat and a Bullish Bears polo going on there. Dude's like a UPS driver, but he don't care. He just wears it and just rocks it with both. Now me, I wouldn't be caught dead wearing both of our stuff the same thing at the same time. You got to offset it. But Tim don't care. Guess what? You know what Tim isn't? Tim is not a Mensa certified options trader. But you know what Tim is? He's an awesome options trader, and if you follow his alerts, you'll make money. So do you care that Tim's not Mensa certified? I don't know. But I mean, do you care that Tim dresses like a Bullish Bears UPS driver? I don't know. But Tim is awesome. We love Tim. So, that's who we are. So we're not. So maybe we'll just take pictures of Tim looking like a Bullish Bears UPS driver or something. Tim rocks. Speaking of which, guys, we are going to have some awesome stuff coming. What is it, the first week of October? Tim's coming up to CT for a few days. Guys, we'll have to make sure you're following us on social media. We're going to who knows what we'll do. We'll probably be periscoping and Facebook Live-in, all that stuff. So I just noticed our banner. Yeah, she did. All right. I was just noticing I'm looking a little extra white in this photo here. We just had the banners redone. They look really good. But I was just saying, the spotlight's on my face, so I look a little extra white there. But anyways, see that? There's no douchebag suit photos and ties. There you go. Okay, so I got to finish the watch list on the website. Okay, I did the alerts. Did I already do that? Ah. I think I gotta do the alerts. Alright, I'm done with the bearish bat. I'm a bull. I'm a perma bull. So I got my bull bat back. Oh, so yeah, so what I was saying, guys, let me do this. Let's add her above. Dang it. If you're new to following us, so we do our watch list every night and we post our watch list over here. So those are free to everybody that follows us. The alerts are for members. So we do real-time options alerts up here, and then trade alert setups. These go with our watch list each night. So basically you log in here and then you'll get our alert setups with the notes each here, and then you'll see our real-time alerts over in here. And then you can access our trade rooms over here if you're a member. And then we have lots of courses to help you get started. Mr. Furu, what's up? What's up, Chemo? Speaking of which, let me put on my Furu. I'm still waiting for the hats to come in, but I could throw on my Furu sweatshirt. So now if somebody says, hey, you're just a Furu like everybody else that's out there in the industry. And I say, guess what? You know what? You're right. Let me put on my Furu shirt. So I'm a Furu. Right? just got to update the site. I might have to look for some new Etsy headbands, man. Now that I was that Chemo that said about the headbands? I think I need to look at some headbands tonight. We're striking out the karate gear. Although my my Cobra Kai shirt I'm wearing today, that's fire. I like that. Is fire still cool or is it lit? Is fire the new thing? That's hot. That's a good thing. That's the cool thing to say. The cool kids say. Not that. I will actually show you a couple of shirts I ordered. I got some new ones in the mail, but I think I got to return them because they don't fit good. They're a couple Urban Outfitter shirts. They're really cool, but I don't think I can keep them because the sizing's all weird. I got leftover pizza tonight. I'm going to do cold pizza for dinner. So I don't have to worry about making anything. Just literally go to the fridge, pull out cold pizza. So I'll be good with that. I don't know if I got to take a... I'm kind of tired. I don't know if I want to take a nap. I have one of those like neck rollers. You guys know those like body rollers that you lay on that's like good for your back and like your spine and stuff. Those like rollers, those foam rollers. Well, I use it for underneath my head and stuff. Stuff makes me pass out. So I'll lay for like a half hour on the floor. Then I just end up passing right out. Put it right on my neck. Stuff, thing's really good, those foam rollers. They kind of hurt a little bit, but they make you pass right out when you relax right into it. It's like getting a massage, but it's not. Pretty cool. All right, got to do one more here. One more watch list. So this is the process that we go through every night for you guys. Doing the watch list and the alerts takes time. But we save you guys the time. We do it all for you. All right, so I think the site's all done right now. Should be all updated. There we go. So that's our penny stocks list and swing trade watch list for tomorrow. So yeah, I got these couple shirts. I actually really like. Ooh, it stinks. They must have bleached it. It's bleached. I really like the look of this shirt. The problem is it doesn't fit properly. I love the look, what they did to it. This thing's really awesome, but if you'll see, they put like the shirt is awesome. The problem is the sizing. So this is Urban Outfitters, which I love certain things from Urban Outfitters, but they buy like rando. If this was an Urban Outfitters flannel, I would totally keep it, but it's from somewhere else. This thing says it's an XL and I'm a large. And then I hate the sleeve thing. Like when I put my arms out, it's like, it's not even the right size. It's like a medium or a small. So I love I don't know how the heck. I mean, these sleeves are terrible. So I can't keep it. And then I got this one right here. I'm not a fan of this one. They said every pattern was different, so you don't know what you're getting until you get it. And this one may fit a little bit better, but I don't think I like all the. Man, they really stink. Whew. Yeah, these ones are a little bit short too. So I'm just I like the idea of it, but they don't fit. The fit's not good, so I gotta return them. So that's that. Dumbo. Oh, that's funny. TLRY. Let me say. Are you going short, TLRY, or are you going long? I mean, that could easily fall back down to that 243 area. Oh, on the sleeves, yeah. Yeah, so these guys didn't get back to me on Etsy, man. That's not cool. Oh, there we go. That's 2 places now on karate headbands that have screwed me. Customized karate headbands. So these 2 places blew me off. Or, wait, Funny Girls and Stretch Headbands. Oh, this place is. See, I want the tie. I don't want that thing just to go on my head like. I don't know. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of my watch list here. I got to go eat some dinner and then do nothing or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Read, maybe? Maybe I'll read. All right. You guys have a good night. Later, peeps.